7:56 a.m. almost 8 o'clock in the morning. Just woke up, made my coffee. Sriman can't start his day without a good coffee. And oh yes, I think you guys have expected that Sriman will definitely say this. We are missing the ride already. I mean, honestly, every day we got so used to doing this, like literally from 15 days, close to 15 days, every day get up, pack everything on the bike and just leave. From today, when I realized that we're not gonna ride anymore, definitely it feels a little bit bad, but that's okay. There are more important things right now, so I have to concentrate on that. And also this hotel is somewhere around just 300 meters from the Motorrad showroom. That's like, you see that? 300 meters, just 3 minutes from here. Showroom people, like I told you, they'll be assisting us with loading the bikes and all that. And just finally I'm sorted now. I'll be taking a couple of things. I'm taking my top box for sure. I put all the important things in it. Laptop, helmet, tank bag. 3 things I'll be carrying in my hand. Left and right pannier, I'm gonna put it to the bike itself and I'll be loading it onto the truck. Oh, by the way, little bit of a sad news is that you see these Triumph gloves which help me in most of the weather conditions, like especially when it is like really cold. These are done now. I'm planning to throw them. Or should I? It's torn like really bad. And oh yes, my shoes have gone inside. All the riding gear, the jacket, the riding pant and the boots, the Falco boots, everything has gone into this single dabba. So yes, we are all sorted, but we're still not sorted if we did not give the intro. Sriman, give the intro. So what's up guys, say hello and I hope everyone is doing great. A very good morning from Chandigarh. Oh, we have everything here, dude. So we booked this hotel for just one night. Tonight, if everything is done properly, around 7 o'clock, 7:30, we have a direct flight from Chandigarh to Hyderabad. Only one flight, unfortunately. Every half an hour, you have one flight from Delhi to Hyderabad, like literally a bus. Shiva and Chaitanya. Yesterday, my tire punctured, right? Nikara, you also come one quick second. No, 2 minutes, come here fast. You have to see it, come here. No. Our tire was punctured while entering Chandigarh, like 50 kilometers away, right? The puncture was like 1 inch, I told you, right? I'll show you what went inside. Can you imagine this going inside?
Seriously? That entire thing?
This entire thing.
Puncture.
This is a puncture.
How does that even go into a tire?
I swear, Aniket techa.
Seriously?
ఇంత పెద్దది వెళ్ళింది బయటకి ఇది ఒక్కడుండే పట్ 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 కొడుతుంది రోడ్. అప్పుడు డౌట్ వచ్చింది ఏంది సౌండ్ అని. దెన్ ఐ స్టాప్డ్. దిస్ వాజ్ దేర్ లైక్ హాఫ్ ఎన్ ఇంచ్ అవుట్ సైడ్. అడిగినా వాడిని లోపలికి సార్ రబ్బర్ హేనా ऐसा हो जाता अंदर అన్నాడు. లోపలికి వెళ్ళి బెండ్ అయిపోయింది. ఇమాజిన్ దిస్ గోయింగ్ టు ద రిమ్. ఏక్ రిమ్ ఇస్ లైక్ 3-4 lakhs BMW కా. సీరియస్లీ వాడు కూడా అదే అన్నాడు. బైక్ జిత్నా ఏవి అంటుండు. హీ హ్యాడ్ టు రిమూవ్ ఇట్ లిటరల్లీ విత్ స్క్రూ డ్రైవర్. గంట సేపు తిప్పిండు వ్రెంచ్ పెట్టి. వస్తూనే ఉంది బయటకి. సూవెనియర్, వి గోనా సేవ్ దిస్. Last time we're gonna pack everything on the bike and hopefully maybe next month again. Don't know, let's see. Into kinda esi tokki. I think 1-2 months will give a break. After loading everything, I realized something, that my laptop is not packed. I took out the laptop because I'll have to carry it with me, but then I realized it's my place now here. So good solution I found is I can actually loosen this up and put the laptop here because it's just like 300 meters from here. So and just take a look at our bikes, dude. And we decided to leave it like this, dirty, so that there is a protective layer on it, a dust protective layer. While shipping, chota scratches are yet to happen. Will not happen because of this protective layer. Just kidding, we don't have any thakat left. Maybe showroom I will ask to clean them. Yeah, seriously, there's like a proper half-inch layer on it, dude. Okay, we are all sorted. Going to the BMW showroom now, and I will be dropping off the bike there. First BMW bike, brand new bike, but still have to part with it for some days. I think it will reach Hyderabad in the next 4 to 5 days at least, max 7 to 10 days. And look at our Swiggy delivery boy on the BMW. Give me my Frankie. In the whole trip I did not put the map, and now I'll put the map. Seriously, without jacket, without riding pants, riding boots, not at all safe, but it feels so nice and pleasant. So this is our hotel on the left, and literally diagonally the BMW Motorrad showroom is there. Arey entry kidhar hai? शिपिंग करना है हैदराबाद को, नहीं कुछ काम नहीं है, दोनों का 4 गाड़ी है टोटल। Yo, there is a truck. Okay, so first we decided to put the bikes like that, but then we are not really comfortable about that. So we're planning to take these crates
Yeah.
and that cage hopefully.
Yeah.
Are we getting the cage as well?
We'll speak to them. He said 2,500 for this. I don't know if that includes these as well.
Okay.
Yeah.
So we have to pay 2,500 for all these are for the 1250s. So I think 850s should fit in it. And then we'll get a forklift, which is another 1,500 rupees. Loading charges.
Loading charge 750 each bike, so 3,000 rupees extra,
So total,
which is like
4
nothing
bikes
compared
ke
to
liye.
the risk.
Yeah, that's okay. Yaar. We need
Yeah.
safety. That is more important. It should
And
be
then
strapped
we're
properly.
buying these crates, so
Yeah.
they'll be with us.
Yeah,
so
we can
next
use
time we
these
want
crates.
to ship, we can reuse.
It feels more safe like this instead of just putting it like that, strapped and all. I'm not comfortable doing
So
that.
then
Now you feel safer?
Oh yeah,
Much safer with the cage?
it is much better.
Much better. But you took it nicely, bro. Inside.
I have to
Ek
remove
shot
it.
mein. Now the complicated part is you have to remove it back. Yeah, we can do it. Now I feel very safe. Thanks to Chandan helping us so much. That
Chandan ji, thank you.
Nikhil's sensor issue as well. He flew to Chandigarh. Sir, he flew to
हाँ अभी है ना वो वीडियो में.
he flew to Manali and helped.
हाँ अरे
Really helping
big
us
time.
here as well. So we are done loading the bikes. Happy? Happy, Charan?
Works.
Works, I think. Very good. 850 for sale.
850s, 850s for sale.
Two 850s for
Buy
sale.
one get one free.
One HP color and one black color. Anyways, we are happy with this situation here. Chalo, let's go have some lunch and after that, fly back home. Okay, 3,
ఇంతకు ముందు
2.
వాసన వచ్చిందా?
హైదరాబాద్
స్మెల్ వచ్చిందా లేదా?
Hyderabad గాలి బాగుంది.
హైదరాబాద్
వచ్చిందా
గాలి
లేదా?
బాగుంది. పొల్యూషన్ బాగా వస్తుంది.
అయితే
I can smell some nice pollution. CO2.
కోవిడ్.
తెచ్చుకోరా విండో ఇంకో చూడు.
How do you feel? Do you feel good? Do you feel good?
great, రా. I'm
Feel
excited.
great?
Happy to be back.
So from tomorrow we are meeting in Hush.
Few days of isolation and testing.
Yeah, by the way, we are doing that. Me, Shiva and Chaitanya. We are planning to isolate ourselves for 3 to 4 days. I am going home. Shiva के घर पे तो कोई भी नहीं है. Chaitanya के घर पे भी कोई भी नहीं है. So all good. Mom and dad are vaccinated. Like double dose हो गया. Last few hours together, maybe 1 hour.
3 రోజుల మళ్ళీ కలుస్తాం.
రేపు పొద్దునే మళ్ళీ కలుస్తాం రా. నేను చెప్తున్నా బైక్స్ వచ్చినాయి రా అని ఫోన్ వస్తుంది.
By
అందరం
the way, bikes are
బయలుదేరుతాం.
going to reach in, I think, 3 more days. 4 days at least. Huh? Oh, we have tracking. We have tracking. Wait. Live tracking. Thing is, it's not updating properly because it's inside a pannier. And then that pannier is inside a
well,
steel
that's
container.
not
Lorika.
Cross Ambala.
Oh, not bad. He's driving properly. Better than our flight, dude. Ambala వరకు వచ్చేసిండు. We also put a GoPro live. Starbucks reached safe and sound. I got so used to sleeping early in the nights that I'm feeling sleepy right now. Time is 12:20 in the night. By 11:30 we used to sleep every day, and now that became a habit, which is very good. And when we had a ride, we used to get up by 6 a.m. I want to continue doing this. Abhi to bahut late ho gaya, so I'm very hungry. But then have a quick snack and crash. So then I hope you guys have enjoyed this vlog. In case you did, you guys know what to do. Hit the like button, do share, do comment, do subscribe, and I see you guys in the next vlog. As you can see, my eyes are literally shutting down, dude. Oh, by the way, I'm pretty sure most of you guys have forgot about this particular box. I said that's a big surprise for the bike. This will happen in the next couple of videos. I'll be revealing it soon, so stay tuned. And oh yeah, feels really good to be back in the room. So I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Take care.